So spring break had just hit our campus, and after a lot of deliberation and looking for quick getaway places near us, we strapped our bags and decided on a beautiful scenic location, the Lake of Ozarks in Missouri. So I took my camera and went filming. The drive from Bloomington to the Ozarks was roughly 8 hours, but road trips are fun, and road trips with friends even better. Our Airbnb was right beside the lake, and we had some splendid views of the surrounding. Our Airbnb itself was a 5-bedroom lavish condo, cozy and peaceful, perfect for a chill getaway by the lake. We started our day off with a visit to the Bridal cave. It's a very popular tourist destination over there. As beautiful as it can be. It was my first time experiencing a natural cave formation, and I loved it. It's like a time machine where you are magically transported back to the times way before humanity. The next spot we hit was the Tonka State Park. It is one of the many state parks in the state of Missouri, perfect for hikes, trails, and even caving and camping. We saw the castle ruins and got a splendid view of the lake down, walking along the trails, exploring the park. Finally, we bid adieu to the Ozarks, taking with us memories as vibrant as the place.